Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to pass parameters to our Ansible playbook. In the previous video, we were modifying the playbook to make changes, which can be a little bit complicated because you need to modify a lot of files and do a lot of manual things. And if we are using Jenkins, then Jenkins can do that for us. So what we're going to do is to create a parameter, and we're going to pass the text to that parameter, and then Ansible is going to get that variable and is going to print that to the standard output. So in this way, we avoid to modify the playbook directly to change the text. So let's go to our terminal and let's modify the playbook because we need to make a couple of changes for this to work. So remember that if we modify this file, we're actually modifying the file that's inside of the container. So let's hit enter in here, and we want to delete this shell line, and we want to use now a debug line. A debug line or a debug module allows us to print something to the standard output. This is something like the echo command for Linux. So this is why it's called debug. So we can print a message in here, and we can then print a variable in here, or text plus a variable. So in Ansible, variables are defined like this, using these curly phrases. So for example, we want here to define whatever, for example, a message. That's a variable, and we're going to send this from Jenkins. So let's save this playbook, or let's just keep this open for now. And let's go to our Jenkins configuration. We're going to click on the configure button because we want to add a new parameter. So remember that parameters are under the general section. So let's click on this project is parameterized, and let's click on the add parameter button, and we're going to create a sample string parameter in here.